you're experiencing verification issues on Netflix after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause verification issues. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Clear cache and cookies. Clear the cache and cookies on your browser or app. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the verification process to fail. For browsers, go to Settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Update your app or browser. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Netflix app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 4. Use a different device. Try accessing your Netflix account from a different device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to the device you were initially using. If you can verify your account on another device, the problem may be with the original device. Step 5. Contact Netflix support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Netflix and enjoy your streaming experience again.